Honestly, as a real estate agent, I really hate door knocking or call calling. Don't get me wrong, they can actually work if you are that type of person, but I'm not. So what is the actual way, an effective way to help you to generate leads if we don't do any of those? According to Russell Brunson's book, .com Secrets or Traffic Secret, providing lead magnet is one of the most effective ways to generate leads in any business. I don't do door knockings or call calling because most of my social medias are generating me leads already. If you are able to create or provide any type of a free valuable resources, you'll be able to generate lead passively. I think this is one of the most important skills that every agent should learn. So today I'm going to show you how to automate lead generation with Beacons.ai and Manychat. My name is Daniel Chen. I'm a real estate agent here in Austin, Texas. I love testing out tools to grow your online presence, whether you are in real estate or just growing your personal brand. If you're trying to generate leads, streamline your social medias, and create a smoother experience for your audience, this channel is where I break everything down step by step. In order to get this automation to work, you'll need three things. Number one is your traffic. You will need to make sure that you have traffic across from your social media. So this way, this automations will make sense and have its purpose. If you don't have any of that, that's okay, because in the future, we're also going to have videos that show you how to get traffic through other means. Number two, Beacons.ai and Manychat. In this videos, we're going to use these tools to help you to generate this automation. Number three, lead magnet. We talk about lead magnet in other videos, so make sure you check that out to see what that is. If you don't have one, that's okay. I have a free template for you in the descriptions for you to download so you can follow along. Otherwise, you'll be just watching this video. I want to make sure you'll be able to execute and then follow along when I do my tutorial. And of course, there will be a separate videos to teach you how to generate a valuable lead magnet through another AI. Stay tuned for that. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow for that. Now you got all three things. So let's jump into my desktop and I'll teach you guys how I did it. Now we're on the dashboard of Beacons.ai. If you haven't gotten into the Beacons.ai, make sure you sign up because you get $20 free Beacons credit, which allows you to use their pro versions. So make sure you do that. If you want to sign up, the sign up link is in my description. So today we're going to teach you how to use the digital product to set up your lead magnet. The left side here is digital products on the left. You click on it, you will be prompted into this page. Now you're gonna click new product. The first thing you'll see is digital product. If you have other lead magnet through other stuff, obviously you can connect, but today we're only going to show digital product here. So click on digital product. This is their default page. And what I really like is that everything can be changed right away. So you actually can change here, let's say Austin guide, and then you go back and then you set the price. Remember, this is a free lead magnet, so you don't need to set any prices. You can make product free. So now it's free. The next thing will be description. I like about the description is because you can generate it with AI. You can use ChatGPT or even with their generated with AI tools to get that. So it's a very short one. You can also generate with the AI as well. Over here, you can literally type in exactly what I just typed in, copy that, and then paste in here. Obviously, this is a paid version, so I'd be able to do this because I have a pro version. Obviously, you can do it for free with ChatGPT. This is what I'm gonna use. It automatically does it for you. Now go back. Media. Honestly, we don't need the media right here, but we just need a product file. So I'm gonna upload a file right here. So once they're uploading, it will tell you upload complete. That's pretty much it. All your product is done. The next thing is checkout page. Who shall we send this file to? And obviously they only give you a full name and then an email. Usually I will add an extra section for phone number. And this is the reason why we want to have SMS marketing in the future. After that it's done, you have a success screen. It will automatically send to your customers' names at Gmails, and then they will be able to get this email right away. Once you're finished over here, you're already gonna be next, done, right? We're gonna list the product here. Once the product is listed, it's right over here. This is the first one. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy this URL And now jump into Manychat. Again, if you don't have Manychat account, make sure you sign it up. And after signing up, this is the first page you will go to because you're already connected to your social media, which is Instagram here. And obviously you don't have to just connect to Instagram. You can also have TikTok, YouTube, whatever that makes sense. This is what I'm gonna do is that it's an automated DM after people comment. So I will click on this video, reels that I did, and then set a common specific word or words. So you can put Austin. After people comment the words that you put it here, they will be able to receive a DM right here. So you'll be able to utilize this for your advantage. You can even ask them to follow you before getting the link. So you can put it right here. So right after you follow me, I will send you the link so you can dive straight into it. But honestly, I only need the first one. So after after the people commented the phrase Austin's or whatever they commented, they'll be able to receive a DM. Hey there, I'm so happy you are here. Thanks so much for your interest. Blah blah blah. And after the opening DM, they will have a button that says send me the link. You will automatically send that to them by here you go. And you add a link. So now that's pretty much it. You can now go live with this. That's it. So that's it, guys. We'll be able to create a lead magnet link for Manychat to help your audience to be able to connect it with you right away. So we use beacons.ai to create a digital product and then use Manychat to automate this process. It will be automated just like this every single time when somebody commented a particular word, specific post, specific words or keywords on your post or reel. So that's all you need to do. So I hope you guys enjoy and understand how the process works. And if you are looking for some other kind of tools or methods or process, leave a comment below and I can chat with you. So I'll see you next time for the next video. See you later.